Hey there, are you looking to sell more art? I'm Miriam Schulman, and I've been selling my art for over 20 years. Now, I've helped hundreds of artists through my podcast and my coaching programs. And what I've noticed is that there are 5 things that usually keep artists stuck. In this free guide, you're going to uncover which of those 5 things are probably sabotaging your success, as well as the 5 things you should be doing instead, which I will tell you right now: production, pricing, promotion, productivity, and prospecting. And I'm going to unlock everything you need to do to have success in all 5 of those areas. So if you want to get your hands on it, there is the guide plus the free video training. They go hand in hand. So no matter what your learning style is, I've got you covered. Download the free Artist Profit Plan today because you deserve to thrive.